Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome the new subscribers. Today I am making a vegetable frittata and you can put any vegetables that you want. I'm gonna leave the recipe at the end of the video because I know that a lot of you are watching me on cell phones and on TV. So you can put any ingredients that you want. I put mushrooms and zucchini and roasted bell peppers and whatnot, but the most important thing here is that you're going to need a pan. That is a stainless steel pan because the frittata is going to have to go into the oven. So you need one, a stainless steel pan, and two, you need the to put onions and cook the onions for about 15 minutes at low heat or medium low heat because that's going to make the surface of the stainless steel pan non-stick. And on the other pan I have the mushrooms and I cook the mushrooms for about 5 minutes. It doesn't take very long on medium heat and I reserve them because if you add the mushrooms when you're cooking all the other ingredients, they are going to stain the eggs and they are going to look brown. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just going to they're going to look really dirty. So be advised about that or beware. So you put all the vegetables, you cook them, and you cook the vegetables that take the longest first, like the onions and the green bell pepper. Then I added the roasted bell pepper, add salt and pepper to that, and last is the zucchini. The zucchini is going to be done in about 3 minutes, and they're going to be done with the heat from the pan and the other veggies. So that's the last thing you add to the omelette. Now we add the eggs and we mix really quick so that the bottom of the egg gets cooked just like a regular omelette. And then we just check the pan with a handle and let it sit there. We're going to turn the heat off. See, I'm checking it by the handle. Sorry about the movement. The heat is off already and see it's almost completely cooked. Now you add the mushrooms on the top and you add the cheese and that goes into the oven. Put it under the broiler for about 5 minutes. That depends on your oven or the oven that you're using, and that is the final result. So now you want to use a spatula to loosen the edges, and that should come off into a plate really easily or very easily. And that is enough for about 2 people. And I serve it with fresh tomatoes. And that's the recipe. Thank you for the likes and thank you for watching me. Bye.